Hi! I am back to using my front camera because the back camera thing is a bit of a faff and I can't be asked. I can't be asked. Anywho, today I haven't done much and that's okay. Both of my girls were off today, not feeling very well. And I think, well, I know that whenever they're sick or they're not 100%, my brain is sort of focused on them, even though I don't need to attend to them, for the entire day. My brain is occupied with them and, how are they feeling and are they okay and this sort of thing. I don't know, maybe not every mum feels that way, but yeah, when my girls are sick, I sort of find it hard to focus on other things, even though they're older. But I did do some stuff. I did do some stuff. I put some videos on YouTube. Well, hey. So I put some videos on YouTube because, as I said before, I don't want my videos to be stacking up to a point whereby I'm less likely to post them. Because the longer you, what's the word I'm looking for? Deliberate. Cut that out. I put some videos on YouTube because I recognize that if I don't put them on YouTube, I'm going to leave them to stack up and I'll be less likely to post them because I will deliberate over them to the point of paralysis and not do anything with them. So I put some videos on YouTube. So I'm pleased about that. What else did I do? I noticed that I say a lot. I guess, I don't know, how do you control that? I mean, I'm conscious of it now. So maybe I'll reduce the number of erms when I post. I'm doing it. It's a lot of erms. Anyway, get used to it. It's how I talk. The other thing I did was put videos on TikTok. That was something new. On TikTok, I repurposed the very first YouTube video. So I edited it to portrait so that it would fit on TikTok's mobile platform, because you need to be able to see it this way. What else did I do? And I had some good feedback from that, so I'm really glad I posted it. I also did on TikTok, I was messing about with the thing, and I came across creator search insights. So you tap it into the search, and with that, it tells you the type of videos that you can do that people might have interest in because of who you are. So I did a video on 4 business tips, and the 4 tips were: get a business name. Easiest thing to do is use your name. The second tip was, here we go, look. The second tip was get online. So all the social medias: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, X, and a website. What else was there? The third one was sort out your brand kits, because if you've got a brand kit, then you can create uniform consistency across everything. And the final one was advertise. And if you've got the money, get some paper flyers made up, or get some digital flyers made up and hand them out, or send them to people that you think might be interested. So I did that today. And that's all I did. I had to go out a few times. Also had to go gymnastics. And I'm annoyed at gymnastics because it's 2 months notice. I thought it was a month. But anyway, and my daughter, she doesn't want to go anymore. My youngest, she doesn't want to go anymore. So effectively I'm paying for, I think it's, okay, maybe 4 weeks, I understand, but 2 months notice. But anyway, it is what it is. Money comes and goes. What else? I had an email from the flyer people, which I'm quite annoyed about, saying that they haven't received my uploads. And I did send them my uploads, so I'm slightly perplexed as to how they can say they don't have my uploads when they sent me a message saying that my order is on the way. I mean, either it's on the way or it's not. I'm a bit confused. So yet again, I'm going to have to phone them. I don't know why I have to speak to these people so often. Like, I uploaded the stuff, I paid for it, just send it please, thank you. So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow, I don't plan on doing much. My eldest is still not feeling 100%. So it's likely that I won't do much. Maybe some YouTube, maybe look at some minor things, things to purchase. Who doesn't like to shop? And maybe another TikTok video, because that was quite fun actually. Yeah, that was quite fun. And with the TikTok video, I used the front camera. I didn't tape it up like I usually do, but I used the front camera and I felt quite comfortable doing that. Had to record it about 6 million times to get it right without, yeah. But it was fun. I'd do it again. So that's it for today.